The anti-splintering device is part of your jigsaw's base assembly. The plastic insert attaches to the base around the blade. It is made of clear plastic so you can see through it to follow your cut line. The insert fits tightly around the blade, supporting the workpiece so it is less likely to be splintered by the blade. The anti-splintering device will wear with normal use and should be replaced as needed for the best quality of cut. Replacing the anti-splintering device is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The anti-splintering device, or Splinter Guard, is a great accessory when you're working with materials that like to splinter or fray as you're cutting them. The Splinter Guard snaps into the bottom of the base. To remove an old Splinter Guard, I just grab the front of it and pull it away from the base. Now I can install a new Splinter Guard. You'll notice there's two tabs that are offset flush to one side of the Splinter Guard. Those tabs should be facing out away from the saw. I align the Splinter Guard with the base and snap it into place. And it's ready to cut. And that's how simple it is to use an anti-splintering device on your jigsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.